Hello 3D plotters, my name is Rosa Maras and I'm the founder of 3dplotter.xyz. This video is going to be the beginning of a series that I'm going to showcase the functionality of 3D Plotter version 3. Today we're going to start with shapes. As you see, we have lines, rectangles, basic shapes, arrows, equation, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. I'm gonna try to make something that looks like Bauhaus. So we're gonna do rectangles. We go to the board and we start designing our rectangles. We can also zoom in and we continue. This needs a little bit to go down. I think now it's okay. Let's see. No. And let's just scale it. Okay, amazing. So let's do some more. Again, that also needs to move a little bit. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, I think I'm happy with the result. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate the layer, and now we're gonna fill some parts. We're gonna use blue, red and yellow. I'm gonna choose red for this and for this, and now we're gonna select the outlines to delete them. We need the outline. Let's zoom to have a better feel. Let's undo. Okay. Okay. Now we have the outline out. Let's move that a little bit further. Fantastic. And now let's delete also this outline. So now we're gonna do the second step, and we're gonna duplicate again the outline layer. Let's do that blue and change also the color. Amazing. Red, black outline. So now we have the blue. Let's fill a blue also. You see we have selected the layer, and now we're gonna fill the blue one. Amazing. And now we're gonna do again the same. We're gonna delete the outlines. Amazing. And now we're gonna make another outline layer copy, and this is gonna be the yellow. And let's fill also a yellow part. Amazing. And again, we're going to delete the outline. Let's zoom again. Fantastic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export it. As layers. So we have red, blue, yellow and black outline. And I'm going to show you the result. And we're going to start with red. Now we're going to do the blue. Now we're going to do the yellow. And finally we're going to do the black outline.